Happy Friday everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to your Friday motivational message. It is one of my favourite days in the week, not gonna lie, also Monday, and therefore this message is probably one of the most important ones I've done this week. I'm talking about, instead of saying why me, why we need to switch to saying why not me. In life we get a lot of things thrown at us, good, bad, crazy, you know, very average, it ranges. But I think generally when we experience something negative, a lot of the time we're questioning, why me? Why is this happening to me? And I think when you look at something as it's happening to you, it almost seems as though you have no control over it and it's completely messing everything up, and it's very much a negative focus. However, I tend to look at negative things, or what people would perceive as being negative things, when they happen to me, as though they're meant to happen. And so the question that I ask myself is not why me, but why not me? Why not me? Why is this thing happening to me? Well, of course it would happen to me because I am somebody who is equipped to deal with it. Or if I'm not equipped to deal with it, it is happening to me because I am supposed to be building up a tolerance for it. I'm supposed to be strengthening myself, growing as a person, and therefore, yes, it should be me. Let's say you're going through a breakup, or you're, experiencing difficulties trying to find a job, or you are having some real big health challenges. I think instead of focusing on why it's happening to you, the better thing to do in terms of your mindset to get yourself in a better headspace is to think why it is happening to you, and why not me, If you are going through a really troubling time, generally there's good on the other side. I do believe in the saying that it can't get any worse, and maybe sometimes it can, but it will only get worse before it gets better. So focus on the fact that it's happening to you because it's meant to happen to you. And why not you? Why wouldn't you be the person that this experience has come to mould and to shape and to build? And therefore, if you are struggling, or if you are going through a hard time, or if you're finding it really difficult to stay on track, ask yourself, why not me? And I think that's a better question to put you in the space to realise that actually this thing that you're experiencing is happening for a reason, and it has picked just the right person to go through it, because you're going to get something amazing from it. This rounds up our motivational messages for the week. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you do. If you want to come back and see next week's, I will have a video going up on Sunday. I don't know what that is yet, so you'll just have to wait and see, which is why it's so important to subscribe. I urge you to share this video with a friend if you think that they're going to find it helpful. And also do come follow me on my socials. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. I'm trying to get on this Vero app that apparently everybody else is moving over to as well. But yeah, come and follow me, come and interact with me. I don't bite, I promise. And I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will see you next week for the next batch of motivational videos, but also Sunday for like a more fashion lifestyle type video. Thanks again, and bye.